Morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I don't know what happened. It kind of froze there. I had no idea what was going on. Good morning. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020, guys. We're going to work in our notebooks and our language activity book, guys. So, right now, take out your notebooks. We're going to begin with dictation, okay? While you guys write the date, we're going to also listen to a song. So, write the date and sing along, okay, guys? Good. Good, 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 good.
Can't stop addicted to the shindig. Chop top, it says I'm gonna win big. Choose not to like of imitation. This get us into the reservation. Keep off the pistol that you pay for. This pump the feeling that you stay for. In time, I want to be your best friend. Eastside love is living on the west end. Not south of all you better come to. Don't die in love that you can come through. Go write your message on the pavement. Feel so right, I wonder what the waving. White heat is screaming in the jungle. Complete the motion if you stumble. Go ask the desk for any answer. Come back strong with 50 million. The world I love, the tears I've tried to be part of the wave can't stop. Ever wonder if it's all for you? The world I love, the trains I hope to be part of the wave can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to. Sweetheart is bleeding in the snow cone. So smart, she's leading me to ozone. Music, the great communicator. Use two sticks to make it in the nature. I'll get you into penetration. The gender of a generation. From top of every other nation. Look your way to go to meditation. This chapter's gonna be a close one. Smoke rings, I know you're gonna blow one. All on a spaceship persevering. Use my hands for everything I'm fearing. Can't stop the spirit when they need you. Not stop the happy when they feed you. J butterflies in the treetop. Words that blow the meaning in the real world. I love the tears I tried to be part of the wave can't stop. Ever wonder if it's all for you? The world I love, the trains I hope to be part of the wave can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to. Wait a minute, I'm passing out, win or lose. Just like you, far more shocking than anything I ever knew. How about you? 10 more reasons why I need somebody new, just like you. Far more shocking than anything I ever knew. Right on cue. Can't stop addicted to the shindig. Chop top, it says I'm gonna win big. Choose not to life of imitation. This get us into the reservation. Keep off the pistol that you pay for. Just pump the feeling that you stay for. In time, I want to be your best friend. Eastside love is living in your west end. Not down for more, you better come to. Don't die, you know the truth is come to. Go write your message on the pavement. Run so bright, I wonder what the wave is. Kickstart the dough to generate her. Sweet talk, but don't intimidate her. Can't stop the gods from engineering. Feel no need for any interfering. Your image in the dictionary. This life is more than ordinary. Can I get two, maybe even three of these? Coming from a space to teach you what the Pleiades. Can't stop the spirits when they need you. This life is more than just a read through.
Good job, guys. So that was just for us to get like started and like if you're sleeping to wake up a little, okay? Now, guys, I want to mention something. We're going to skip page 110 and 111, okay, guys? At this moment, we're not going to do those, okay? We'll go back and see if we can do them in another time. But right now, we're going to begin with Unit 9, okay, guys? And in this unit, what are we going to do? What we always do, work. We're going to begin with dictation. Okay, the words are from Unit 9, guys. Unit 9. So let's go ahead and begin. Number 1, brainstorm the options. Okay, we're make up your mind. Decídete. Make up your mind, okay? Number 1, brainstorm space the space options. In this week, guys, they're phrases, they're not words, okay? So each word or phrase that I dictate is going to have at least 3 words. Number 1, brainstorm the options. Number 2, consider the consequences. Consider the consequences. 3, decide on a solution. Decide on a solution. 4, define the problem. Define the problem. 5, evaluate your ideas. Evaluate your ideas. 6, learn from your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. 7, make a decision. Make a decision. And number 8, regret. Okay, regret. Excellent. Now, let's go ahead and write each word. Remember, if you made a mistake, don't erase it. Write the correct word next to it. Number 1 was brainstorm. Brainstorm the option. Okay, brainstorm the option means lluvia de ideas de tus opciones. Brainstorm the option. Okay, what options do you have? Okay, 2, consider the consequences. Consequences, okay, guys? Consider the consequences. Considerar las consecuencias. What could happen if I do this? Consider the consequences. Let's go ahead and do number 3, guys. Decide on a solution. Decide on a solution. Decide on a solution. Decidir en una solución. What are you going to do? Decide on a solution, okay? Let's go with number 4. Number 4 is define the problem. Oh, sorry, guys. Define the problem. Definir el problema. ¿Cuál es el problema? You need to define the problem. Good. Let's go with number 5, guys. We're almost finished. Number 5. Evaluate your ideas. Okay? Evaluate your ideas. Evaluar tus ideas. Which ones would be a better option? Evaluate your ideas, okay? Let's go with number 6, guys. Learn from your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Aprender de sus errores. I think that's the best way to learn, guys. When we learn from making mistakes, we will never forget. Let's go with number 7. Make a decision. Toma una decisión. Make a decision. Make a decision. Tomar una decisión. Okay? Good. Let's go ahead and do number 8. And our last one. Regret. Regret. Regret es cuando te arrepientes. Arrepentirse de algo. Okay? Maybe I said something mean to a friend. I regret saying that to my friend. Regret. Good, guys. So, for spelling, guys, that is all we're going to do today in spelling, okay? In our notebooks. Now, let's go ahead and do a quick grammar activity so that you guys can do your homeworks later, okay? Grammar. Today we're going to use, or we're going to work with if. If. See. Normally we use if with conditional, okay? Do you guys remember we saw this already? Let's do an example. Oops. If I eat lots of candy, my stomach let's go ahead and move this over here, fix this. Oops. My stomach will hurt if. Okay, so let me move aside. Can you see it? There we go. If I eat lots of candy, my stomach will hurt. If. Es un sí condicional. Si yo como muchos dulces, mi estómago me va a doler. Okay? Now, for classwork, guys, I'm going to write 5 sentences. Well, the beginning, okay? I'm going to write, for example, if I don't study, what consequences is that going to have? So let's write our example. If I don't study, now here I made a mistake. Okay, guys, remember capitals, okay, very important. If I don't study, I will get a bad grade. Okay, guys, I will get a bad grade. Look at my example. So, I'm going to write the first part like it says here. If I don't study, comma, you will have to complete the second part. What can happen? Okay? This is class work, okay, guys? This is what, along with the dictation, I'm going to be asking you for evidence of the work, okay? So let's begin. If you don't eat healthy, what can happen if you don't eat healthy? Remember, complete. If you don't eat healthy, here let's change you to I. If I. Okay, if I don't eat healthy, I. Okay, good. 2. If I am am mean to people, mean, mala onda, grosero. If I am mean to people, okay, what can happen? Good. Let's go ahead and do number 3, guys. Instead of 5, let's just do 3, okay? So, number 3. If I play with knives, I don't know why you would do it, but if I play with knives, what consequences? What can happen? Good. Excellent, guys. So, don't forget those 3 sentences that we're doing right now in grammar, okay? Finish them at home. I gave you the beginning part. You need to finish the rest, okay? Good job, guys. Excellent. Now, close your notebooks, guys, and let's go ahead and start doing our book. Take out your language activity book, guys. Language activity book out. Page 114 and page 115. Okay, guys? We will be working on those 2 pages today. Write the date. Good. Now, we're going to number the words. Number 1 is written already. You see the picture, guys? In number 1? Ah, and it's evaluate your ideas. Good, bad, or horrible. So number 1, evaluate your ideas. Number 2, look at the picture. He is thinking, lots of ideas. Brainstorm your options. Number 2, guys, is brainstorm your options. Good, good, good. Number 3, think about what will happen as a result of something you do. Think about what will happen as a result of something you will do. Number 3, consider the consequences. Very good. Number 3, consider the consequences. You're thinking about what's going to happen? Good. 4, let's go look for number 4, guys. Number 4, it says, understand what you did wrong and make sure that you don't do it again. Understand what you did wrong and make sure you don't do it again. Learn from your mistakes. Good. 4, learn from your mistakes. 5, choose a way to solve a problem. Choose a way to solve a problem. Good. Decide on a solution. 5, decide on a solution. Let's go with number 6. Describe something that causes trouble or difficulty clearly and exactly. Describe something that causes trouble or difficulty clearly and exactly. What is number 6? Define a problem. When you describe that something is causing trouble or difficulty, is define a problem. Okay. 7, guys. Wish you had made a different choice. Wish that you had made a different choice. Regret. Good. And let's go ahead and do number 8. Let's find number 8, guys. 8. I can find number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, do you guys see 8? Because I clearly don't. Do you guys see it? Okay, good. And number 8, guys, is make a decision. Okay? Make a decision. Decide. Oh, I found number 8. You guys see number 8? He's thinking, which one? Make a decision is number 8. So it goes like this, guys. 1. Evaluate your ideas. 2. Brainstorm the options. 3. Consider the consequences. 4. Learn from your mistakes. 5. Decide on a solution. 6. Define a problem. 7. Regret. And 8. Make a decision. Very good, guys. Now, let's go ahead and go to page 115. Okay? Look, choose and write. Then read and write the letter. Okay? First, define a problem. Okay? Needs to get fit to be selected for a team, for a basketball team. What would number 2 be? Hmm? What would number 2 be? Let's go ahead, guys, and write in number 2. Brainstorm the options. Brainstorm the option. And in the little box, we're going to write letter A. Attend fitness club. Go running every morning. Go swimming. We're thinking of different things that we can do. Brainstorm the options. And in the little box, you guys see how there's like a little box? Okay, there you're going to write letter A. Let's go with number 3. Number 3, guys, we're going to write evaluate your ideas. Right. Evaluate your ideas. And you're going to write in the little box letter D. Fitness club, fun but expensive. Running is free, but need a friend. Swimming is fun, but the pool is not near. Okay? So in number 3, we are evaluating your ideas. Which is better? Number 3, evaluate your ideas and write letter D in the box. Number 4. Okay, guys, let's go with number 4. Write. Consider the consequences. Consider the consequences. Number 4. And in the little box, write letter B. I will regret it if I don't try my best to get it. Okay? Consider the consequences. And it's letter B in the box. Number 5. Decide on a solution. Decide on a solution. And in the little box, it's letter C. Decide to go running with a friend. Learn from my mistakes. Don't like running on my own. Okay? It goes like this. 1. Define a problem and E. 2. Brainstorm the options. Letter A. 3. Evaluate your ideas. Letter D. 4. Consider the consequences. Letter B. And number 5. Decide on a solution. And it's letter C. Very good, guys. Very, very good. Now, to finish this page, okay? Let's go ahead. Just write the word you hear, okay? Excellent, guys. Excellent, excellent. Here we go. Listen and write. Make up your mind. Decídete. Make up your mind. Define the problem. Yes or no. Define it logically. Where shall I go? Brainstorm the option. Good. Brainstorm the option. One, two, three. Brainstorm A, B, C, and D. Evaluate your ideas. Bad or good. Evaluate. Do I think I should? Consider the consequences. Nothing to regret. Consider them carefully. I can't decide yet. Decide on a solution. It's now or never. Decide so I can say it's my best decision ever. Here we go, guys. Again, define the problem, yes or no. Define it logically. Where shall I go? Brainstorm the options. One, two, three. Brainstorm A, B, C, and D. Evaluate your ideas, bad or good. Evaluate. Do I think I should? Consider the consequences. Nothing to regret. Consider them carefully. I can't decide yet. Decide on a solution. It's now or never. Decide so I can say it's my best decision ever. Number one, problem. Two, option. Three, ideas. Four, consequences. Five, solutions. Good job, guys. So, that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much. You guys did a great job. Remember, evidences, dictation, and your work in notebooks, okay? Well, the work that we did in notebook, which was also an activity of if. Good, guys. Excellent. Now, let's finish up and let's write your homework. What are you going to do for homework? Okay? Spelling. And we're going to combine spelling and grammar, okay, guys? What are you going to do? Okay? Spelling and grammar. With each one, today you're going to do 8 sentences, okay? One with each one of the words, okay? You're going to write a sentence using a word and if, okay? Spelling and grammar. Write a sentence using a word of the week and if. Let's do an example, guys. Example. Okay, here we go. If I don't pay attention in my work, if I don't pay attention in my work, let's write that if I don't pay attention in my work, okay, I won't learn from my mistakes. If I don't pay attention to my work, I won't learn from my mistakes. Okay, guys, there is the example. There you guys have it. You guys see it? Okay, guys, good. So, you need to write 8 sentences, okay? One with each word. Brainstorm the options. Consider the consequences. Decide on the solution. Define the problem. Evaluate your ideas. Learn from your mistakes. Make a decision. Regret. Excellent, guys. That is your homework. I hope that you guys had enjoyed the class a little more. I'm trying my hardest, guys. I am trying my hardest. To finish, let's go ahead and take attendance, okay, guys? Good. Let's begin. Valentina, Jared, Bruno, Fernanda Valentina, Leo, Cesar Alexis, Mikey, Joel, Suriel, Danae, Veronica, Brittany, Ivana, Leslie, Matilda, Abdiel, Diana Maria, and Daniela. I hope that all of you guys have a good day. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Goodbye, guys.